Okay, thanks for the reply. So let's get on with the other problem. What is the problem? So the case has ornamental LEDs, and for the top and front side panel does not flash for some reasons, and both serial ATA power connectors have to be plugged at the same time. What they want me to do, so the mode may have changed by the motherboard mode. I open, so they're asking me to clear comms and reconnect the serial ATA cables. Okay, then I'll do that. So as you can see, both serial ATA power connectors are unplugged right now. Let's clear the comms. Okay, it's cleared now. Let's put serial ATA power connectors back. Okay, now the serial ATA power connectors are plugged back. Let's turn on the PC. The bottom LED does flash, but still the top LED and the front side does not flash.入った。下はついてるけど、横はついてない。前もついてないね。ついた。で、これをつなげてもらったら電気がつくと思う。ファンが開始して、下ついてるよね。下ついてるけど、ここはつかない。結局何かっていうと、その2つが電源、このファンの電源になるってこと。だからこの下のネオンとここ。